Hey, I'm Sherry. I started this channel in 2021 with 0 subscribers and a big dream. Now over 7,000 of you are here, and I've learned so much, including how to use AI to grow and create. If I can do it, so can you. Keep going.
This is my first AI video, and there's lots of mistakes in here, but this is a great start.
Sherry's Jewelry Time Saver Secret. It's called ChatGPT. I call it Chatty, my behind the scenes bestie that helps me write descriptions for my products and even plan out YouTube videos like this one. If you're a jewelry maker trying to do all the things, keep watching. You're gonna want this tool in your corner. Let me tell you how I started my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel back in 2021 with 0 subscribers, but lots of ideas. At that time, I was doing everything: designing, filming, editing, marketing, packing orders, technical assistance, you name it, I did it. And let me be real, sometimes I felt overwhelmed, especially with writing product descriptions. Things like, how many ways can you describe a boho bracelet with a shell on it before your brain just taps out? And that's when I discovered ChatGPT.
Hello, good people. It's Sherry from Sherika Originals, Handcrafted Gifts. And today I'm letting you in on a little secret that's been saving me so much time in my jewelry business. It's called ChatGPT. I call it Chatty. My behind the scenes bestie that helps me write descriptions, name my products, and even plan out YouTube videos like this one. If you're a jewelry maker trying to do all the things, keep watching. You're going to want this tool in your corner. Let me tell you how I started my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel back in 2021 with 0 subscribers, but lots of ideas. I was doing everything: designing, filming, editing, marketing, packing orders. You name it, I did it. And let me be real, sometimes I felt overwhelmed, especially with writing things like, how many ways can you describe a boho bracelet with a shell on it before your brain just taps out? And that's when I discovered ChatGPT. This AI assistant helps me brainstorm, write, and organize. Now I don't do everything by myself, and it shows. I've grown to over 7,000 subscribers. I've launched digital products, and I still have time to create. Let me break it down into some real life ways that I use ChatGPT in my creative business. Naming my jewelry. Sometimes you make a piece and you're like, oh my goodness, what do I call this? I just type in a description, like I might say this is a cuff bracelet made with aluminum wire and a cowrie shell, and it has an Afro boho vibe. ChatGPT will give me names like Shell Majesty, Iron Glow, or a Goddess Wrap. Boom, instant inspiration. How about writing product descriptions? Boy, that's a tough one. Descriptions are a chore, but now I give Chatty a little info and it gives me something poetic, professional, or playful, whatever vibe I like. I'll say write a short, exciting description for a pair of laser-cut wood earrings with kente cloth accents. And it delivers something like, celebrate your roots with these bold, lightweight earrings crafted with precision and wrapped in vibrant kente style. Just like that, I copy, paste, and move on. That's so much better than what I would have come up with. Planning my YouTube content. I use it to brainstorm video ideas, outline tutorials, or even write scripts. If I'm doing a video on how to use gold foil on leather, I'll ask, give me 5 fun titles for a DIY jewelry video using gold and leather. It gives me titles like Golden Vibes, Turn Leather into Lux. Anything, things that grab attention. I use it for marketing and my social media posts, whether I'm posting a new product on Instagram, sending a newsletter, or writing captions. It helps me to sound polished without having to spend hours trying to be cute. I might say, write a fun caption for a new set of beaded earrings inspired by the Gullah Geechee culture. Boom, it's done in seconds. brainstorming digital products. Now, y'all know I am all about the multiple streams of income. I've even created a new ebook called 15 Creative Jewelry Products Using Fabric, Wire, and Wood. And guess what? Chatty helped me to organize the chapters and put it together. So if you're trying to level up your business, think about this tool and how it can help you with courses, kits, printables, the works. Wow. Now I'm going to show you how I work with Chatty. You know, I just ask for a title and I go through the process. Just Google ChatGPT. There is a free version. I have the paid version now, but I just open it up and I type out my question or my query. And here I'm saying, give me a clickbait title for my YouTube video where I talk about using ChatGPT for my jewelry business. I hit enter and Chatty just spits out all these great titles. The first one that says, how I use ChatGPT to run my jewelry business like a boss. AI is my new assistant, how ChatGPT helps me make and sell jewelry. And it just keeps giving me titles. And then, wait a minute, it's going to ask me if I want some more. It ask me if I want them sassier. And so I say, yes, give me some more sassy titles. And it spits out even more titles. I love it. The first one is I put ChatGPT to work in my jewelry biz. She understood the assignment. I like that. And then the third one says AI in my jewelry business. Baby, she is slaying the to-do list. So, you know, it gives whatever vibe you ask for. It is so awesome. Number 6 says ChatGPT's in my studio and she's not just cute, she's productive. Awesome. I was taught to be courteous, so I tell her thanks, and then she'll give me a response to my thanks. She says, you're so welcome, Sherry. Go ahead and let that video sparkle like your best statement piece. If you need a sassy thumbnail, tagline, or spicy description to match, just holler. And look how fast it is. I just told it that I made earrings out of African fabric and wood, and it gave me 5 name ideas in seconds. Now, I'm not saying the AI can replace your creativity because it can't. It never will. But it can support your creativity and help you get your ideas out there faster. So whether you're a one-woman show like I am or just starting your jewelry business, give Chatty a try. Let it help you with the things that slow you down so that you can spend more time doing what you do best, which is creating. Drop a comment below if you want me to show you more ways that I use Chatty, or even we could do a Q&A at our subscriber chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another jewelry maker who might need to use a little help. All right, y'all, stay creative, stay original. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.